Hello everyone and welcome to the TECNI channel. Today we are answering some of the most frequently asked questions about our YCP range of hydraulic crimping tools. If you have repaired gym cables or other wire rope assemblies using these tools, then you've likely come across a few questions along the way. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know to get the most out of your tool, from correct usage and maintenance to servicing and general information. So let's get started. If your tool is failing to reach pressure and produce a pop sound, or it feels spongy and unreactive during use, then it's likely the hydraulic system that has lost pressure due to leaking, damaged, or worn seals. This is a relatively common issue after prolonged use, and while seal wear is expected over time, there are measures that you can take to maximize the service life of your tool. Try to avoid using the tool in dirty environments wherever possible, and keep your work surface clean. It is also important to keep the exposed piston between the body and the handle free from any dirt or debris, as this can damage the seals over time. Correct operation is equally important. Always lay the tool flat on its body with the open side of the head facing upwards, then use the handle to pump the hydraulic system. Never use the body of the tool as a handle. This is one of the most common causes of leaks, incorrect swages, and wear on the tool. If your tool has lost pressure, it will need servicing before it can operate correctly again. All of TECNI's YCP tools are supplied with a 12-month warranty. So if you experience a fault during this period, we can service the tool for free. After the warranty period, servicing is still available for a charge. Alternatively, you can service your own YCP tool using our servicing and piston kits. If you're unsure how to carry out the service yourself, then you could watch our YouTube demonstration video linked in the description below. The only reliable way to confirm that a fitting has been pressed correctly is to measure the finished dimensions after swaging and compare them with the appropriate standard. The pressure release pop sound should not be used as confirmation that the swage is correct, as it only indicates that the tool has reached its operating pressure. The largest tool in the YCP range is the YCP 240C, weighing just 6 kilograms. Despite its capacity, it remains lightweight and is supplied in a durable carry case, making it easy to move around on site. The YCP 240C delivers 12 tons of pressing force, while the 120 and 70C are capable of 8 tons and 5 tons respectively. This increased capacity allows the YCP 240C to crimp a much larger range of cables and fittings when compared to the smaller tools. No, dies cannot be shared between different tools, as each YCP model has a different sized head and therefore requires its own dedicated die sets. However, the dies within each individual tool can be changed to suit different fitting types and do different jobs. Changing the dies on a YCP tool is a simple process that only requires an Allen key. So if you'd like to see how it's done, you can watch our video on how to change die sets on the TECNI YouTube channel. So there you have it, some of the most frequently asked questions about the YCP range of hydraulic crimping tools. If you are interested in purchasing a YCP tool, you can visit our website at www.tecni.uk. And if you still have any questions surrounding tool selection, dies, servicing, or gym cable repair, then feel free to get in touch with our team by emailing us at sales@tecni.uk. Thank you for watching.